Welcome. In this video I will show you how to reset home screen layout on Apple Watch SE 3. First, open the app library by pressing the digital crown on your Apple Watch, find settings and open them. Now in settings you're gonna have to find general section and open it, and then scroll down to the very bottom of the list until you find reset. And tap on reset and scroll down until you find reset home screen layout option. Tap on it, scroll down, confirm your action, and after that your home screen layout will be reset. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.